Here comes Leanne. You go. Whee!
Drag your feet.
Leanne took out the dude. You okay?
Yeah, see, that was the problem. I couldn't turn around because I had no traction.
Supposed to drag your feet.
Okay, I'll say this one more time, Chris. I could not turn around because I had no traction on my feet. Turn off that damn camera. I need some Advil. That hurt my head.
How did it feel to
Chris,
knock
turn
this
off the
guy
camera.
out?
You better turn
You
off
took
the
him off.
Chris, turn off the camera.